In this video, 3 signs that you will manifest more money and get rich in 2019. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and this will tell you if more money is on the way. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification, because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video. Number 1, you have eliminated the belief that you will serve the world more by not having money. You know, one of the greatest ways that we block money is actually from a very, very ancient belief system. And it's a misconstrued idea out of the Bible that is basically telling us that money is evil. And so people have this idea that, who am I? Who are you to have money? There's someone starving in Africa. There's a child that can't go to school in your hometown. So you shouldn't have money. Who do you serve by not having money? Nobody. You can't serve yourself, you can't serve your family and put your kids through the right school. You can't get the health insurance that you need if you live in America and you've got to pay for all your medical stuff. You can't fund the charities you want, help the children you want. You can't drive the car you want. You can't get all the healthy, high quality food you want. You don't serve anyone by not having money. Comment down below, I love money, it serves good. Comment down below, I love money, it serves good. You have to begin to love money for what it is. Now, you don't use people to get money. You love people and you love money because money is just like everything else. It is a representation of God energy. Everything in this universe, in this physical world, is just energy. And money is a very convenient medium that allows us to experience more life, give more freely, serve more people. And as long as you believe that money is evil, money is bad, and that if you get more, other people are going to get less, therefore you shouldn't get more and somehow you're going to help other people, you can't attract it, because subconsciously you've developed and imprinted the belief system that money is bad. And if you believe that money is bad, I can promise you, you will not attract money. Why? Because 95% of your life is subconscious. So your subconscious is controlling how much money you attract into your life. So comment down below, I love money because it does so much good. And if you haven't yet, make sure you demo my software, The Second Mind, that's designed to rewire the mind to eliminate those belief systems. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below. Just get it through your head that you will serve more people if you have money, and your desire for money is not bad, it's not evil, it's not greedy. What it really is your desire to experience more God, more creation, more of the universe, more of life. And money is a medium through which on this physical plane that you can do so. And when you grasp that, then the money will start flowing to you. Number 2, you know that money is just energy. And as I said earlier, your desire for more money is really your desire for more life and a higher expression of life. So if we live in a world where everything is energy, then how is money bad? If you live in a world where everything is energy and it's literally infinite, the universe is literally infinite, and this planet has enough resources for everyone, how is it somehow wrong to want to experience more life? How is it wrong to want to travel when you want to travel, fund the charities that you want to fund, hire people in your business and employ people at a job that they love? How is that bad? Understand that money is God in disguise, just like you are God in disguise. God is an energy, is an energy, it's a consciousness that's in everything. It permeates and penetrates and fills this entire reality. It's the building blocks of everything. And when you start to grasp that, your belief system starts to shift from, oh yeah, I'll be happy without it, happiness is more important. Money's not that important. If you talked about a romantic partner like that, would that romantic partner be in your life for very long if you said, yeah, but they aren't as important as happiness? If you said, yeah, but they're the root of all evil. Yeah, but I'll be cool without it. It's not an either-or situation. You can have happiness and money. You can have joy and you can have financial freedom. You can pay for things you want and you can give your money away. It's both. And when you wrap your head around that, then you see, wow, money can serve a fantastic spiritual purpose. And then you can start attracting it into your life. So comment down below, I attract large sums of money easily. I attract large sums of money easily. Number 3. You realize that money is really two things: the presence of money or the absence of money. A lot of people desire more money, yet all they do is notice the fact that they do not have it or it's lacking in their life. Money is two things: the presence of it or the absence of it in your life. There's a quote in the Bible that says, to he who have, to those that have, to she that have, more will be given, and to those that do not have, even that which they have will be taken away from them. It's talking about consciousness. If you're focused on the lack of money, if you wish you had more money, but you're constantly focused on the lack of it coming into your life and why it's not here yet, you're going to continue to attract more experiences like that because your reticular activating system, the part of your brain that's processing all the information that's happening in reality, is going to continue to be programmed to focus on the absence of it. Whereas when you begin to practice gratitude for the money that you do have, and you may say, well, that's easy for you to say, I don't have any money. You have to begin to be grateful for if all you could do was spend $1.25 on a cup of coffee, or being grateful that you had clothes to wear. Obviously, you have internet, or you have a phone, or you have a computer. When you practice that, you start to develop a healthy relationship with money. Most people are in a state of envy about money. If you're in a state of envy about money, I wish that I had it and I really want it, then you're in a place of desperation for the money. So your energy field is in a scarcity consciousness, and you bring those experiences into your life. When you start to do that and you shift into gratitude for the abundance you have and you start to look for it, so you may not have much abundance, but you can certainly look for it in your life. Like if you're in a certain business or a certain industry, or you want a certain job, look for the people that are doing well and say, wow, if they could do it, I could do it too. Look at the fact that more money is printed every single day. In fact, the Federal Reserve in the United States is printing so much money that the dollar is actually losing value by about 4% every year. So paper, in a sense, paper money has become debt, because if you have it sitting, you're losing 4% on it every single year roughly. There's so much money, it's losing value. There's so much money out there in the world. Start to focus on that and start to focus on the opportunities that you have in order to put your kids in the school you want to put them in, or for you to retire, or for you to get better health insurance for your parents, or for you to get your dad a new car, or for you to fund the charity that you want, or to put through 10 kids in scholarships going to college. Whatever it is, start focusing on those things and get into an abundance consciousness. And the surest sign that you will see more money in 2019 is you're beginning right now to start the energy framework for abundance in your life. And that's the big secret. That's the big key to open up the floodgate in 2019. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Begin that process by writing 5 things that you're grateful for about money every single day. And take it a step further by downloading my free success hypnosis, JakesHypnosis.com, right there down below. It's free, JakesHypnosis.com. And what it is a subconscious hypnosis that's designed to reprogram your subconscious mind and your thought patterns so that you can attract success and abundance into your life. It's the big secret that changed my life, and it's right there down below, JakesHypnosis.com. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, so please make sure you hit the bell notification. Comment down below, money comes to me easily. Comment down below, money comes to me easily. And comment down below, 2019 is my year. 2019 is my year. Have a beautiful day. There are great things on the way for you. Start to look for them. Start to practice gratitude for them. And know that money is a valuable vehicle for you to experience more life and become more generous and help those around you.